MBO's 4 Combi folder models are the backbone of our commercial folder product line. They feature the intuitive M1 control system as well as the maintenance-free MBO belt drive. All 4 machines are characterized by MBO's high standards for reliability and production quality. Due to their solid design, they are highly reliable even in a 24/7 work environment. The K70 is MBO's basic model, capable of speeds up to 210 meters per minute. The K70 is available with 3 different feeders to suit any production environment. The space-saving pile feeder is especially suited for short-run work. The palletized feeder can accept stacks up to 95 centimeters high. The continuous feeder is capable of non-stop operation. The K80 introduces MBO's high-performance parallel fold unit. It enables high running speeds of up to 230 meters per minute. The patented MBO slitter shaft cassette shortens the make-ready of tooling changes. The K80 is available with either a continuous or a palletized feeder. The K80 palletized feeder is capable of processing up to 120 centimeter high stacks, an upgrade over the K70. The K80 also offers automation options for slitter shafts, fold rollers, and fold plates. The K8 is the basis of MBO's high-performance folder platform. Building from the same parallel fold section as the K80, the K8 offers a more advanced knife fold unit. At the cross-fold, the knife length can be adjusted to match the size of the folded product. This allows minimization of sheet gaps for a significant increase in performance, even though the speed through the parallel section stays the same. Further advancements in the K8's knife fold section allow it to be set up even faster. No other Combi folder's knife fold section offers such complete automation options. The K8 comes with the highest level of accessibility. The cross-fold section can be lifted and the 3-fold section drawn out. Automated sheet ejection of misfolded sheets and double sheets enables non-stop production for the highest level of performance. The K8 is available with a palletized feeder as well as a continuous feeder. The K8 is only surpassed by MBO's top-of-the-line folding machine, the K8RS. Our standard flat drive belts are replaced by tooth belts, enabling running speeds of up to 275 meters per minute, making the K8RS the world's fastest folder in its class. With a maximum pile height of 130 centimeters, the K8RS is capable of processing the maximum output pallet stacks of many high-performance printing presses. The K8RS has, among other features, a feeder head specifically designed for high cycle rates, as well as a double-guided sheet infeed. All in all, the K8RS offers the highest level of stability and quality for unmatched performance.